Big news. And this week, Michael Saylor said that there's only room for one nation state to buy up to 20% of the Bitcoin network, and he thinks it's going to be the US. And President Trump said that he's committed to Bitcoin and making America, quote unquote, the crypto capital of the world. Welcome to the YouTube channel. My name is Joe. If you like money and if you like crypto, hit the subscribe button. Also, hit the notification bell to be notified when we publish new videos. They are very time sensitive and you're not going to want to miss out. Also, please understand that everything I say in this video is not financial advice. These videos are for educational and inspirational purposes only. And full disclosure, we do hold the cryptocurrencies that will be discussed in today's video. And if this video gets to 10,000 likes, I'll do a massive special giveaway for our community. So let's smash up that like button and let's get started. You can see here that Michael Saylor said this morning, there's only room for one nation to buy up to 20% of the network. And here is what he had to say.
There's only room for one nation state to buy up 20% of the network. And obviously, I think it should be the United States. I think it will be the United States. It's a way for us to enrich ourselves and emerge as a creditor nation in a matter of a decade. It's also a way for us to ensure that we're the economic leaders in cyberspace and the digital economy for the next 100 years. And if we do that, every one of our allies will follow us, and then all of our enemies will end up having to buy into the network once it passes 10 or 20 million a coin, and they will enrich us.
Now, this just in, Michael Saylor doesn't just talk the talk, he also walks the walk. So kudos to this guy, and he has been so convicted with Bitcoin literally for many, many years. I was in Bitcoin's conference literally in Miami like 6 years ago. Can't believe how fast time has really gone. But I wanted to share with you now that MassStrategy has just announced pricing of its $2 billion in notes to buy even more Bitcoin. You can also see here that President Trump says that he is committed to Bitcoin and making America the great crypto capital of the world.
Jones Industrial Average is up 2,200 points, and Bitcoin has set multiple all-time record highs because everyone knows that I'm committed to making America the crypto capital. We want to stay at the forefront of everything, and one of them is crypto, and Miami seems to be the center of the action, come to think of it, and maybe it'll stay there.
And if you want to stay at the center of the action with Bitcoin, simply click the link down below. We do have a referral link for you, but you can get 10% off Cryptocurrency Bitcoin Conference Pass, and these are the ticket prices at the time of this recording today. They will continue to increase in price, and this conference is going to be held at the Venetian Resort in Las Vegas, and it's literally going to be happening here in just a few months at the end of May. Now, here are some of the speakers. You got Michael Saylor, you got Cynthia Loomis, Grant Cardone, you have many others who have already spoken about Bitcoin in previous conferences. You also have the Altcoin Daily Twins who are going to be speaking yet again. That's what it shows here in this list. And again, Bitcoin 2025. If you are interested in learning more about Bitcoin, becoming part of the movement, Las Vegas, May 27th to 29th, embrace game-changing theory. And what's really amazing is this conference is the largest Bitcoin conference in the world. I've been to it multiple times. It's absolutely fantastic. And you can sign up for the general admission or any of the other packages below. Simply click the links and get up to 10% off by using my referral code. Thanks for your support. Now let's talk about some price targets. Well, James Lavish believes that Bitcoin is going to double by the end of the year. He says $180,000 Bitcoin easily in play. Let's hear from him.
Strip out all the noise of the economy and you just focus on Bitcoin. I think that Bitcoin is going to have a very big year. I think that, you know, it could easily double from here this year with all the tailwinds that I've been talking about. You know, I've been saying $180,000 in the fall of 2025 for a while now, and I think that that's still very much in play. Bitcoin is explosive. The one thing that you have to understand is if you're trading around this, please have your core position. Don't play with the core position because you could easily miss out. This could easily just, you know, just outrun everything very quickly.
And speaking of outrunning things very, very quickly, the crypto market as well as the altcoins are back in the green. And I believe altcoins are set to explode. Now, I'm going to share with you what altcoins I believe are going to continue to do well because Bitcoin is doing well here in just a minute. But according to Ash Crypto, a whale bought 4,700 Ethereum worth $12 million on Binance and Coinbase. ETH pump will melt faces. And with Ethereum being right behind Bitcoin, I believe the Ethereum price could be undervalued still at the time of this recording. Alex Becker also said the most hated altcoin season in history has begun. Put on a diaper, do not leave the computer, and lock in. And the SEC acknowledges a slew of crypto ETF filings as reviews approvals accelerate. Now, the SEC acknowledgement highlights how the agency has softened its stance on crypto since President Donald Trump started his second term back January 20th. Consequently, 2 crypto ETF launched February, and analysts expect more ETF approvals to follow in 2025. So that shows me that there is hunger and demand. And let me know what you think down below in the comments. XRP or Litecoin, which altcoin is going to be the biggest gainer for altcoin season? And also, which one of these do you think is going to get approved for an ETF first? These two have to be on your radar because I believe that they're going to receive an ETF and it's going to happen in the very near term. What other cryptos on this list could get ETFs that could send the prices skyrocketing? Well, you have to look at Solana. Coming in at only $177 at the time of this recording, I believe this crypto that went all the way to 300 could, if it does get an ETF, reach $400, $500, maybe even $600 to $1,000 in the craziest price predictions, as we have seen other analysts believe that we could actually go that high. I believe Dogecoin also could receive an ETF. Tron potentially could get an ETF. Cardano as well as maybe even Chainlink. Now, other cryptos to definitely have on your radar. Litecoin has been performing recently. Sui is another one, as well as Avalanche. You also have the meme coins like Shiba Inu, and other cryptos like RWA projects like Hedera have to be on your radar as well. Now, big L1 blockchains like Hyperliquid, the new kid on the block, is one to definitely keep an eye on, as well as Near Protocol, the AI layer 1. Now, Pepe Coin, also being the cryptocurrency meme coin of this cycle for Ethereum, has a $4.1 billion valuation. I believe could go even higher in this market. They also have to take a look at other cryptocurrency coins like Crypto.com's Kronos token, as well as other cryptocurrencies rounding off the end of the list. Bonk is another meme coin here. Floki, another meme coin. And you can see here that a lot of these other cryptocurrency coins like PulseX, PancakeSwap, as well as many others are definitely here to stay, and I believe will continue to keep trending up on this list. So let me know down below in the description, which cryptocurrency coins do you think are going to keep going up? And let me know what you think is going to happen next for altcoins, because I believe I know what is going to happen next for these altcoins. In fact, in the last bull market, I made $200,000 in just 1 week trading crypto, and many of my students also did amazing. You can see that they won cars, NFTs. They also made thousands of dollars, and I even had one student become a cryptocurrency millionaire. So if you want to learn, now is the time to know exactly my proven system for finding hidden altcoin gems before anyone else, as well as how I actually go about investing and taking profits, as that's a very important aspect to this cryptocurrency market. If you're interested, click the links down below. Get up to 75% discount right now at the time of this recording for subscribers only. So click the links down below. Join us in VIP. Thanks for watching our breaking news video, and we'll see you in the next ones. Stay tuned.